Happy New Year, nail girlies! Wishing longer, stronger nails for y'all in 2025. And of course, I hope your vision board turns into reality. For me, Jan is so special. Not only is it the start of a new year, but it also happens to be my birthday month. And right after my birthday, I get to celebrate my favorite festival as well, which is Uttarayan. So I'm mostly in high spirits this month of the year. Now, this time I decided to do something different and made myself a birthday nail polish advent calendar. You guys, it turned out perfect, and in today's video, I show you exactly how I made it. Do give it a try. You can put literally anything in these bags, not just nail polishes. So yeah, keep watching the video. There are 13 nail polishes that I bought. I also bought something else from West Side, which I thought was really cool, and you guys should definitely check it out. Let me show you. I gotta say, they have leveled up their game, and this perfume, I mean, look at it, looks really nice. Let's open it. And this is what the perfume looks like. Okay, it's priced at rupees 9.95 and you get 100 ml of perfume. This is so cool. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love vanilla perfumes. And you know what this one reminded me of? You guys, this is a very close dupe of Kayali 28, which is like my all-time favorite vanilla perfume. West Side, oh my god, I'm a fan. I love it. Please, if you love vanilla, you have to check this one out. And I just wanted to share this with you all so you can buy it. Like, run to West Side and get this already. Okay, now I have 13 nail polishes. I initially bought like 7 and then I ended up with 13 nail polishes. By the way, West Side has like 3 new nail polish collections. First is the chromatic range, second is Fortify, and third is Express Dry. Now let's pack these 13 nail polishes. Okay. So here's my nail polish storage, and just below that I have this advent calendar. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think?